All right, this question asks us to write a Python program to calculate sum of digits of a number. And to solve this problem, we got to know the position of each digits in a number. So let's focus on an example like 1234. So our number is here, and basically I want to analyze in each position. So we know that there are 4 positions, therefore 4 digits. So the first digit from the left is in our thousands, and then we have the second one, which is 2, goes to hundreds, and then 3 here is our third digit in third position, which is tens, and then finally the fourth one, which goes to units or ones. Now I'm going to start with asking the user to input a number. So number equals to integer int input, and then we say enter a number, and then we print that number. So okay, we say that 1234, and then there you go, this is the number. Now that we got the number, let's start working on it. So I want to get first digit 1 if from the left, if you will. To do this, I'm saying that if I divide this number by 1000, by 1000, and round it down, I can get 1 out of it. So let's do it. Number divided by 1000. But here you will get 1.234. We don't like decimal in this case. I need 1 only. To do this, I'm going to use floor division, which automatically round down to 1, and it gives me just 1, right? And then let's store this number in a variable. I'm going to say first digit, and that's our first digit. If you print the first digit, at the end you will see that. So first digit. Now that I get the first digit, and I can run it for now, 1234, and you got it, 1. All right. So now let's focus on the second digit from the left, which is 2. Now we need to work on 234. And to do this, we can say that we have a total number which is 1234, right? If I get 1000 out of it, I can basically come up with 234, and then I can divide it by 100, because the number 2, digit 2, that our third digit, is located at the third position, which is hundreds. And in that case, it gives me 2.34. Then I can round it down and get just 2. So let's do it. So I'm going to say second digit equals to parentheses number minus, now I have the total number 1234. I want to subtract 1000 out of it. The way that I can do it is I say first digit multiply it by 1000. What's the first digit? First digit is 1. If you multiply it by 1000, gives you 1000. Subtract it from this number 1234. It will give you 234. Now, because 2, this third digit, is at the hundreds positions, then I'm going to say divided by 100, and it gives you 2.34. Let's make it floor division, and it will give you 2. And let's print it. Second digit. All right, let's run it again. And there you go. And that's our second digit. Let's get the third digit now with the same concept. So third digit equals, now the third digit is 3, located at tens position. To do this, I'm going to say I'm going to subtract 1000 from this number, which gives me 234. I'm going to subtract 200 from that. It gives me 34. And then to get 3 out of 34, I'm going to divide it by 10. And then I'm going to round it down. And it will give me 3. So let's do it. Here's the number minus, I'm going to say first digit multiplied by 1000, which is the same as 1000. And I want to add it to the second digit, which is 2 multiplied by 100. And I know that this might be confusing at the beginning, but the concept is really awesome. So now that I come up with the 1200, I can subtract it from the whole number. It gives me 34. The floor division with 10. And now you can print third digit. Let's run it. 1234. Okay, there you go. The first digit is 1, second one is 2, the third one is 3. Now let's get the fourth digit. Fourth digit equals, again, number minus. So we're going to basically copy and print this. Sorry, copy and paste this. We say that first digit multiplied by 1000 plus second digit multiplied by 100, and then plus this third digit that is now 3 multiplied by 10, that gives us 30. And if we subtract the whole thing from number, it gives us 4. And in that case, because 4 is located at units or ones position, I'm going to say that just divide it by 1. And now you can print fourth digit. Let's run it again. So 1234. And there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you get all of them, let's add them up. So we're going to say print, say first digit plus second digit plus third digit plus fourth digit. Now run it again. So 1234, run it, and there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you add them up, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. And that's all about this tutorial. I know that it's kind of confusing at the beginning, but if you really focus on it and basically feel free to watch it as much as you can get comfortable with the concept. At the beginning, it was hard for me to understand it, courtesy of my uncle Ali to explain it very well for me, so I could understand it. And now this is the feedback of that that you watch it. Thanks for watching and thanks for being fans. I'll see you in the next tutorial.